Activity 1. Building a paragraph. In each unit, there are activities to help you learn and review content that may appear on the citizenship test.
Activity 1 is a way to review the text in the reading activity. It helps you learn how sentences and paragraphs are connected. The task here is to click on the choices to reconstruct the reading passage. Some of the paragraphs are numbered for clues, and it makes it easier to get off to a good start.
The correct first choice appears here, and now we could choose between A and B to complete the sentence.
Reconstruct the passage piece by piece
by clicking on the next part of the sentence. You could see a period here to show that's the end of a sentence. This will help us choose the next part, which will be the beginning of a new sentence.
Continue this until the passage is completed.
We can see here that my score is still 100%. When you click on a wrong answer, your score will drop. I'll continue by now clicking on the correct answer.
The Restart button lets you restart the activity without leaving the screen. You can attempt this activity as many times as you wish. The Show Only the Last Part of the Text button is helpful when there is a longer text. It can save you from scrolling up and down the screen when choosing the next segment to add to the passage. When you are finished, click on OK.
That's the end of this tutorial. Use these buttons at the bottom of the page or the breadcrumbs at the top to navigate to different parts of this unit.